Alright, so I'm working on the Mitsubishi Montero. Um, I already disconnected this hoses right here. And there's two bolts right here. Right below, I already took out the nuts. I have a jack. I usually like to put wood on the tires. I already drain about 10 or 20 gallons already, and the drain plug is right here. You gotta take it off and drain as much fuel if you can if the car stalls with a lot of fuel. I already took out the back bolts. As I said, I dropped the dry line, and I'm gonna take the front bolts and lower the tank. Okay, we'll as you can see, I disconnected everything. I'm starting to take the little bolts on top of the pump. Hopefully I could take it out without dropping the tank any further, but if I do, I'll just lower it more. I had to take out the fuel filter and the line to be able to drop the tank this low. So here it is. Now I gotta put out some from here. Okay, well, I gotta squeeze it out somehow, so I better drop the tank a little bit more. I gotta put the phone down. Alright, once you take out the pump, you put ground and positive on the pump, and if it doesn't turn on, that means the pump is no good, and if it turns on, and then that means that there's an electrical problem. Like this one, if you could hear the jerk, that means the pump is really good. So we have another problem on this truck. Okay, after I dropped the tank and I checked at the connector on top of the tank, I noticed that there was no voltage, but I decided to change the pump anyway since it has 160,000 miles. So, and then I came over here and I took out this relay right here, and I jumped it from here to here. This is the yellow and black, and red and yellow, and the car started. So I had already switched them back and forth, but I guess if you switch them back and forth, the car won't start because this probably doesn't let the car start either. So as you can see, I'm gonna try to start it, and the car does not start. But if I hold it right here, you could right there. So it needs a relay, and the car starts. So I know I have a bad relay. Okay, the Mitsubishi Montero is a complicated car as far as if the fuel pump's not coming on, you could ground the relay like I did on this video. And if you ground the relay on the yellow and black wire and the car starts, that means that the computer is not providing a ground to the relay. So even though you have 12 volts, the car won't start. Some of the items that pass power or send the signal to the ECM to ground out the relay is the cam sensor and the crankshaft sensor. I don't know, in some models they might have a kill safety switch or something, but that's something that, you know, I don't work at a dealer, but at the end of the day it might need an ECM. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Bye.